Smokeless chimney. We're making chips today. The best flames on the net. Oh, that doesn't sound good. I better stop that. You know, when you cut aluminum, everything seems to go wrong at times. Well, this top piece is what I'm trying to make. It has a lot of holes in it.
This is what
and
I want.
I want to make sure
And
all
so,
these holes are in the right position.
This is the
CNC is very
part
good
that
for
we're gonna
putting the
make.
holes in, and you want to cut your small holes before you cut your part out. So that's the first thing we're going to work on.
First, we're gonna,
And that's my layout.
doors.
As I set my G-code, I'm going to do a quick simulation here as to how it's going to look.
That's all pretty straightforward.
That's looking pretty good. I always get a little nervous with my first cut, and I've got my fogger mister on there putting out a good amount of cutting fluid. But everything seems to be going just fine.
This was a ramp, and
I changed my ramp function to a contour function with 1/4 millimeter. Yes, that's cutting a lot better. The ramp function should only be used on small holes, and I really like the contour and 1/4 millimeter per pass. If I get more confidence with the material a bit and the shape, I can go for a 1/2 inch or not a 1/2 inch, a 0.5 millimeter or a 0.7. Well, the part came out. I just got to clean this thing up a little bit and it'll do just fine. Smokeless Chimney, www.smokelesschimney.com, Facebook, Reddit, and YouTube.